everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. I've got another awesome video for you today. It is Father's Day weekend. I am headed to meet the crew, and today Mr. Holy Shift is giving away a bike to one lucky winner, and the entire crew is headed there to show you the entire experience. You're gonna want to stick around. I'm Fly&Ride. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CBO called Sandstorm that you see right here, and on my 2022 BMW R1250 GS called Airwolf that I also feature on the channel. I fly a DJI MAVIC 2 drone. I feature cinematic drone footage, ride reviews, product upgrades, testing out different bikes, group rides, giveaway videos, all here on the F&R channel. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. It's a beautiful, crisp morning here in New Jersey, not a cloud in the sky. I'm meeting up with Nadal in the usual spot here, and actually I didn't even tell Mr. Holy Shift that I was showing up this morning. It was really last minute, so I'm gonna surprise them. But you know, listen, it's not even about the surprise, it's really about this awesome giveaway that Sandy is doing on his channel. And I think most of you that follow my channel follow his channel. If you're not, give Mr. Holy Shift a follow. He's got an awesome channel. He's been raffling off this bike for a while, and finally he announced a winner a few videos ago. You know, he showed it all on the channel, and you know, he told the winner that he was going to invite the crew, and I think we have almost everybody showing up this morning. I've got the drone with me, and you know, once we get there, I'm going to film the entire experience again, bring it to all of you here. You know, I think it's pretty awesome that you know, they get to raffle off these bikes and make someone incredibly happy, and on Father's Day weekend. By the time you're watching this, obviously the weekend would have passed, and to all of the fathers out there, just a happy Father's Day. I hope you had a great one with your family. I hope you had a safe one. I am still blessed to have my father with us, and I will tell you, I've had many role models in my life, but one of the most important ones is certainly my dad. Has taught me so much, and one thing for sure is his incredible work ethic. It's just relentless, and I hope to live to that every single day. And I'm sure many of you can relate, you know, some great lessons from you know, our fathers or father figures. So again, whether you're celebrating it, whether you're a dad, soon to be a father figure, hope you enjoyed it. All right, let's roll. All right, I'm pulling in here, meeting up with both Nadals, and actually Nadal Senior has his Ducati today, I believe. So I'm going to give you a nice walk around of that bike once we get to the final destination to meet up with Mr. Sandy and everybody else. What's up, brother? How you doing? How you doing, man? It's good to see you, bro. Good to see you. It's been a while. I know. Full stage 2, right? Yep. Oh, so Nadal Jr. got a full stage 2 on his not long ago. Of course, he's got Chrome Works already, and he's got the new air cleaner. I hadn't seen that. SNS. I'm not too crazy about it. No? You're not crazy about it? No? Nah. I'm going to show you the one I'm going to get. Maybe you'll like it. Yeah. But the bike looks beautiful. What one are you getting? Start it up. Start it up. I want him to hear it. So this is Chrome Works 2-into-2. Same system that you're going to see. It's got the louver baffle in it. Okay. But oh yeah. What cam? It's the SS 475, right? Yeah, the cam. What's up, Mr. Nadal? How you doing, man? Yeah, that's it. He's ready to go. Oh yeah. Listen to that thing, man. Woo, I can't wait. I cannot wait to hear what that's going to sound on my bike. So you're going to want to stay tuned and check out Nadal's beautiful Ducati. Look at this thing. This thing is pristine. Nadal, what year is this? 2007, right? Now, what kind of Ducati is it?
It's a Sport Classic 1000.
Sport Classic 1000? Yep. This is a numbered bike, right?
Yeah, it's 80. Look, it's over there. It's number 89 of 100.
Let's see it. Oh, look at that. 89 out of 100. Wow. Look at this thing. Man, look at these controls. You got some bling bling in this thing.
These are all aftermarket.
Wow. This thing looks pristine. Amazing. All right, so you're going to see it on the road now. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. The thing looks awesome. Sounds awesome, too. All right. We got about a 45-minute ride. I'll film this here a little bit on the way out so you can hear those bikes roar. And then I'll turn it back on and catch you as soon as we get to the spot. Again, they don't even know I'm coming. There he goes. There it is right there. Nadal Jr. full stage 2 in that bad boy. You heard how that sounds. Chrome works, baby. On the speedometer. Sport back on the other side there. Yeah, I can't touch that. We are almost here. Wow, that's bright. We're about 1 minute away. We're a little early, so I'm not sure if anybody will be here from the crew yet. Pretty windy. You can see the wind pushing the water from the sprinklers onto the road there. So this is pretty cool. This is the first time that I come to a bike giveaway. Nice. Yes, sir. I wasn't gonna miss this, man. I wasn't gonna miss this. What's up, brother? How you doing?
What's up, right?
How you doing, man? It's good to see you. Coño, bro. ¿Cuánto hace tiempo? ¿Qué se cuenta?
Oh,
Mr. Hector showed up. Uh-oh. Mr. Wee Woo Wee Woo. He is here with the giveaway bike. Mr. Holy Shift is in the house. Mr. Holy Shift. I wasn't gonna miss this, man.
How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing, brother?
Shoes from what? Australia. Australia.
Looks like my grandpa's shoes.
You got the granny bag on. Oh my goodness.
Woo! It needs a new owner to take care of it. So this is the bike that the winner is taking a little while. We're trying to figure out. Look at all these freaking bikes here. How awesome this is. This is what it's all about. The crew hanging out. What happened?
The owner don't know.
Oh, he doesn't? Oh, wow. That's awesome. So John was telling me that the owner doesn't even know that we're coming. How cool. Hey,
See how he pointed senior there?
do you know if they make those boots for men?
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so, brother.
Oh, goodness. How you doing, Mr. Jerry? Mr. Jerry in the house. Look at Hector's beautiful bike. Man. Hector, what year is this again? 16? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then this is John's giveaway bike. So, John, you still giving tickets away for this one? Yeah?
Well, until October.
Until October?
But I have it in there. If I don't meet the quota, then they'll get 50%.
All right, so make sure you go check out Mr. Cycle Fanatic. Get some raffles. This bike, you cannot do it justice here in the video. It is absolutely beautiful. It sounds awesome, so make sure you go check it out. All right, we're going to give a quick break here, and we'll come back to you as soon as the winner gets here. All right, there we have it. The winner.
First Harley.
First Harley.
That's wins the first Harley.
There you go.
Amazing.
That's a happy man right there.
What you used to ride? A Brilliant Shiver and I have an RS 660.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I got a dream come true.
Yeah.
Pick yours up in Brooklyn.
Well, now we got to switch over to Harley.
Yeah.
See?
Congratulations, man.
Thanks, guys. Wow. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I can go like this.
There you go.
Before he gets his other goodie bag.
Hey! I'm entering for that one too. You never know.
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh.
Might be here in October again.
Enough of that. Enough of that already. Enough of that already. Unbelievable. Guys are characters, I tell you.
I was tearing up too, but you know, with the stones over there, man. It was, wow. My wife was like, I want to do that.
All right, everybody. I'm going to land the drone. So look, this is what it's all about. Mr. Holy Shift did his thing. Gave away an awesome bike to an awesome individual. Congratulations again, Jose. Look, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Most of the crew came out here. You got even Glenn came out here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do a walk around video here in a second. This is actually the star of the channel. Pico, what's up, buddy? He's so friendly.
They think they're pit bulls.
Check out this bike. Glenn, start it up for me, please. So what year is this, Glenn, again?
19.
19? This bike is amazing. Listen to this. Wow. Wow. Beautiful bike, man. Woo! Amazing. Look at that. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed that awesome video. Mr. Holy Shift giving away that bike. Got a chance to meet Jose and his wife. Awesome. Very well deserving. Congratulations, Jose, if you're watching the channel. Enjoy the bike, man. It was great to meet, and we look forward to having you join us in future rides. So that was Mr. Jerry up there. We're waiting for Nadal. Got stuck back there in the light. So again, do me a favor. If you like this kind of content, you like this kind of video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I've got a bunch of videos planned for the channel. Of course, you know, we are midstream in riding season here in the great state of New Jersey, and we're gonna continue to bring you these awesome videos for you here on the F&R channel. So you're gonna wanna stick around. Thanks for watching.